Only two values. Then triple C of CWEN is equals to triple C of CWEN plus 1. So you want to add of, so whatever given the data is added to above 1. Then print C. So previous data is CWEN is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So directly represent CSEV colon 1, CWEN colon 2. Right? Next, dictionary tracebacks. Traceback means exception, error. Any something went wrong in your program, it will show as error. So how do you trace? How do you debug? So then where the line will be shown representing the line, which line so and so problem is available. Now an error will be displayed to reference key, which is not in the dictionary. For example, so you have given some name. That name is not available in the dictionary. CCC is equal to dict. Print CSED. So the data is not available. Then how can they will be displayed? No, that is what traceback most recent call of file std in line 1 in module key error CSEV. Key error in the sense the key is not available in the given dictionary. Right? Print CSEV in CCC false because that is not available. Understand? Now, when we see a new name is added in the dictionary, and if this second or letter add 1 to the count in the dictionary under the name. For example, counts is equals to dictionary. Names is equals to CSEV, CWEN, CSEV, ZQIN, CWEN. How many times the CSEV, CWEN? So twice it is represented in the given list. Now, how can I count? For name in names, names is you are given the list. So names you can transfer into the name. If name not in counts, right? So counts of name is equals to 1. Not in count. The count, so which is not countable. Then the strictly name counts of name is equals to 1. Else counts of name is equals to counts dot name plus 1. Print counts. See, I can show you this program. See the program. So dictionary means empty dictionary in the sense simple. We can put this one. So for name in counts in names, then again, then else case. Now again, then print. See, that shows the error. Some error is showing. See, error is closed. See now, run a call. See, CSEV, how many times? How many times? 2 times will be displayed. See, CSEV, this is 1, this is 2. CWEN, this is 1, this is 2. So then that's what CWEN twice. ZQIAN, only 1 time. Once the word is taken, if it is in, not in, so here member function. In, not in, member functions are there. In means available in the given list. Not in, not available in the given list. Please note down. Note down, everyone. Yes, completed. If it is completed, then let me. I can explain you another question. Completed. Okay. Now, next one is simplified counting with get method. So use get and provide a default value of 0 when key is not yet in the dictionary, and then just add 1. So counts is equals to dict. I told you previous program. So names is equals to something CSEV, CWEN, CSEV, ZQIN, CWEN for name in names, colon, counts of name is equals to counts dot get name comma 0 plus 1. So previous program we can use get method. We can use get method. Use get method and provide a default value of 0 with key is not yet in the dictionary. Right. Next, see simplified counting with and then see counts is equals to dict, names is equals to something. For name in names, counts of name is equals to counts dot get name comma 0 plus 1. Print counts. Right. The same program just changing. So this program also I can show you whether get method is working or not. I cannot show. See. See the program using get method. Right. Previous without using get method you can directly assign. You can directly represent for loop. Now it is counts is equals to empty parenthesis. Names is equals to CSVN, CWEN, CSEVs, ZQ, IAN, CWEN. For name in names, counts of name is equals to counts dot get name comma 0 plus 1. Right? Whenever that names, so twice it is available, then automatically 0 plus 1 will be shown. Then this is the print counts. Then directly automatically CSEV colon 2, CSWN colon 2. Please note down, Amma. Note down, please. Right up. Next. See, the big text is available. The clone ran after the car, and the car ran into, and the tent fell down on the clone and the car. So this is some text is given here. The how many times? The how many times is there? Check. The how many times is there? Clown. How many times? The car how many times, and how many times, ran how many times, into how many times, right? Tent how many times, fell how many times, down how many times. See, each and every block means splitting the word. Then I want to conclude, then how many the is available, how many clown is available in the given word, right? So then see, counts is equals to dictate. Then empty set, print, enter a line of text. Line is equals to input. Words is equals to line dot splitting. So split. Once you use split, then whenever white space character is available, up to the word will be splitting. Print counting for